Hello everyone, today I have this amazing and multifunctional mask. You can use it for sleeping at night or some meditation, relaxation, for doing some yoga, to relax on the sofa, chair. It has a perfect size for take it with you anywhere are you going. It has a Bluetooth connection, you can listen to your music, you can have a voice call for somewhere. It's easy to connect, it has a different volume, you can choose what you want. It's have a breathable and very comfortable for the skin material. I highly recommend this. You will like it.